We all know the importance of first impression. And what's the first impression for our IELTS speaking? That's introduction part, isn't it? So how can we have better impression in the first go? By preparing our first type of question really well. What are those questions? For academic students, mostly they will talk to you about your favorite subjects. Why have you chosen them? What are your future plans? So we will see how to answer these questions in an effective manner. Shall we start? Sure. So mostly they are going to ask you, are you a student? You can't say, yes, I'm a student. You have to expand your answer, and the good way is to bring what you did in the past with what you are going to do in the future. When there will be a contrast, it's going to give you more words, more explanation, and that will be a chance for you to show how good you are at English. So answers could be, are you a student? So I have given two answers here. One is like expanded answer. Second one has better vocabulary, some difficult words, so that you can use uncommon vocabulary and score better in LR, that is lexical resource, which is also an important part as far as our speaking scores are concerned, right? Okay, so first answer could be, yes, I'm a student. I have recently completed my senior secondary education with flying colors from St. Joseph Public School, Jalandhar. So I have given the name of the school specifically. Why? Because it gives justification to your answer. It makes your answer more convincing, right? When you give real names. Okay, so yes, I'm a student. I have recently completed my senior secondary education with flying colors. Idiom is there. Okay, so this is past, future, and now I'm planning to pursue my further education in Canada. Past, future, you can see this answer is quite big as compared to just saying, yes, I'm a student. So if we want to improve it further, how we can say it? Yes, I'm a student. After completing my senior secondary school education last year with flying colors, now I'm planning to pursue my tertiary education in Canada. Can you see this word? Tertiary education. So this is an uncommon word that we have used here. I hope now if you get this question in your exam, you are going to do it good. Speak it multiple times in front of mirror. Listen to it. Speak as many times as possible, because then it will become your own. You can speak it. It comes to your subconscious mind. Then you can speak it without any hassle. Okay, let's move ahead and see next question. What subjects are you studying? Most of the time what happens is student will answer it like this, like, what subjects are you studying? I'm studying English, Hindi, Maths, Punjabi, like this. No, just bring a context. Why are you going for this? Let me show you. Okay. So, well, I am a science or commerce or art student. Subjects that I had studied in my last class, tell the last class, were these. In future, I will do my further study in the field of this, to tell the name of the field, as I want to be now what you want to be in future. So you can see this is a format that you can use for this answer. Let's see an example here. Well, I'm a science student. The subjects that I had studied in my senior secondary class were physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and along with English. English is compulsory subject. Everybody studies that, right? In future, I'll pursue my further study in the field of nursing, as I want to be a nurse and serve sick people. So I'm going for nursing because my desire is to become a nurse. And what will I do as a nurse? I will serve sick people. Or if in case I want to be someone in the field of, let's say, business, like I want to be a financial analyst. So how will I say that? In future, I'll pursue my further study in the field of commerce, as I want to be a financial analyst and give advice to people about finance. So this could be that this is the way how you can answer in that way. Okay, so this is the one. Now let's use better vocabulary to say the same thing, better structure and better vocabulary. Being a science enthusiast, I had studied physics, chemistry, and mathematics during my senior secondary. Along with these subjects, English and Punjabi were the compulsory part of my curriculum. Curriculum enthusiast, along with these subjects. So these are some words which can add towards scores, and here you can add this line also in the future. So then the answer would be, being a science enthusiast, I studied physics, chemistry and mathematics during my senior secondary. Along with these subjects, English and Punjabi were the compulsory part of my curriculum. In future, I'll pursue my further studies in the field of engineering, as I want to be an engineer and make some big projects or work on some big projects. Right, so this is the way we are going to answer this question. Let's move ahead. What's our next question? Why did you choose this subject? So to answer this question, we can say, like, either when we were in school, we had a great liking for this subject, we were getting very good scores, or like, I want to be something, some particular profession in the future. That's the reason why I have chosen the subject. So this is how you are going to answer this question, right? Okay, let's see some sample answers. To be honest, commerce was my first choice because it is very interesting. Not surprisingly, I used to get very good grades in this field during my school days. Moreover, I have a desire to become a chartered accountant, and choosing this subject will definitely help me in realizing my dreams. Okay, so you can see how we have given this answer. So it was first choice because it was interesting, and that's the reason why in school I was getting good grade. Moreover, so here I have combined past liking with the future aspiration. So this question's answer can be given with better vocab in this way. My natural inclination falls towards commerce as I belong to a family of businessmen. So here we are using example technique. So in order to answer the question, we are giving example from our real life, and that's they want to listen. My natural inclination falls towards commerce as I belong to a family of businessmen. Throughout my childhood, I've seen my dad explaining just how crucial accounts and taxation are for the survival of any business. Thus, my choice of subjects naturally followed the same. So you can see how good vocab words along with good structure is being used here. So what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to like say these answers again and again and again. You can repeat with this video, like put it on, listen to it and repeat, or you can write them down on a piece of paper and speak it out loud. So whatever way you feel convenient, you can use it. But in any case, these answers must be like at back of your hand. Like, so you must be really very comfortable with these answers. So in your mind, they must be there. So as and when, because this is the first impression and we don't want to make a bad first impression, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the next question. Are you planning to make a career in this field? So this question is usually asked when you have given them the choice, like these are the subjects that I like, or these are the subjects I had studied. So now they are going to ask, look, okay, so you have studied these subjects or you like these subjects. Why are you planning to make a career in this? So this is the intention. Plus, so they will also check your command over future tense, how you can show your preference and how you can talk about a different tense altogether. Let's see what answer can we give for this. Yes, certainly I want to be and so whatever you want to be, you can give it, write it here. It is not possible to excel in this field until and unless I have a good command on something. For example, let's say I want to be a doctor. It's not possible to be a doctor until unless I have good command over biology or medical science. So yes, certainly. So this is a verb. We will put some stress out here. Yes, certainly I want to be a doctor. It's not possible to excel in this field until and unless I have a good command on biology. Right? If you have given your answer as science. Okay, so another way of answering this with expanded answer is, certainly I'm aspiring to become a full-fledged accountant within the next 3 years. Since I'm done with the senior secondary education already, my bachelor's in accountancy is next on the bucket list. I believe once I add a professional certification to my resume, along with the bachelor degree, I'd be able to find a job in an accounting firm soon, right? So I've spoken it a little bit slow so that you can understand. Okay, so let's see if there is another question. Next question is, which is your favorite subject? This is the most common question that is being asked in introduction. Why? Because everybody has a liking or disliking for some subject. Yeah, they can also ask you which subject you don't like. Don't worry, we also have answer for that. So which is your favorite subject? Here I have picked English because this is a subject that we can put with all the streams, whether you are from science, commerce or arts. Anybody can like English. So again, we'll tell, like in the first line we'll tell that yeah, this is our favorite subject, why we like it, and like what future perspective, what past preferences we have for this. So without a doubt, English is my favorite subject and I've liked it since my school days. Being a global language, it provides a medium to be in touch with the world. On a personal note, English literature has always fascinated me and I can read it for hours. So let me show you some good things about this answer. Without a doubt, English is my favorite subject. We have answered the question and I have liked it since my school days. Since my school days. Being a global language, it provides a medium to be in touch. To be in touch is what's it? It's an idiom with the world. On a personal note, again, it's a connective. On a personal note means on my personal level, English literature has always fascinated me. Again, a good word, and I can read it for hours. Again, it's an idiom. So you can see we have used multiple things so that we can tell the examiner, look, I have used so many good things. So now I expect you to give me some good scores, right? Okay, this one is done. Let's see what's the next question. So favorite one is gone. So now we are supposed to answer which one we are not comfortable with, which was most challenging, which was most difficult subject for us. So which was the most challenging subject for you? So I have taken mathematics. If you have any other subject in your mind, you can talk about that, but make sure you give reason for that. Whatever reason you have why you don't like it, don't just say that I don't like biology, I don't like geography. Of all the subjects, I found mathematics the most difficult subject, because he has asked was, so I have used found. Of all the subjects, I found mathematics the most difficult subject. Reason, it was challenging for me because there are many complex formulas and equations in this subject. There are many complex formulas and equations, so a reason has been given. This answer can also be said in this way. Which was the most challenging subject for you? That be math, without a doubt. Without a doubt. All those complex formulas and equations haunted me throughout my school years. That's the reason why I used to barely manage to obtain the passing score. I was not doing good in school with math. Oh, so let's see what good things we have done. That would be math, without a doubt. All those complex formulas and equations haunted me throughout my school years. This is the reason why I used to barely manage to obtain the passing score. So you can see in this answer we have used uncommon vocabulary with some idioms. I hope this answer will help you to get a better score. So make sure you write them down and speak them loudly in front of mirror, or you can just listen to a video and then repeat it. Okay, well, so we are done with this question. Let's move to the next one. Okay, there is no other question. So we have reached at the end of our video. Now what I expect from you people is, please comment. If you like this video, comment yes, this is the thing that we like. If you don't like it, please share your feedback. So this is something that you are not good at, you can improve it, and we'll try to improve on that. And secondly, share this video with your friends or relatives who are planning to go for this beautiful exam, IELTS. In case you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video, because this will help others to get this video, because the more you like, the more YouTube will advertise this video over our channel, and it will also motivate us to bring more of such videos. And for all those students who haven't joined any offline classes and do have a plan to join one, details are given in the description. Please give us a call. We will arrange a free demo session for you, and then you can be a part of our Target 9 family. So I hope this video will help you and you will get your desired band score in the first attempt. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.